Yes, let's speak. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the KZN Podcast, my channel, your channel, everybody's channel. Today, we are speaking about Mthembu and Mthembu, the Real Housewives of Durban, reality star, who then decided to have her husband joining the show too, and then he became the really husband of the Really Housewives, right? Mthembu, born and bred in Johannesburg in Soweto, met up with the colored lady, any Mthembu, we don't know his name, and then they got married. Annie is a former stripper, if you could say, was doing the rounds in the clubs, until she hooked up with Kholu, and then Kholu decided to marry her, and they have two beautiful kids, or ingane. Now Kholu is a businessman from Durban, and he owns several clubs, right? eThekwini, so uyaziwa ngalezo zinto lezo. Now it happens that guy went broke and the money is finished. There is no money. He did come out, he did speak, he did say, listen, I am falling off, I am losing money, the waiters and the waitresses are stealing from me. He felt he was failing to pay the DJs, he was failing to pay the staff and all of that, and then he agreed. He said, things are not doing well, I will be back. But then everybody thought, it's okay, sharp, because the business was still running at the end of the day, so nobody thought to see it's just the end. All of a sudden we see Kholu back home. Shame then there were allegations that he's back on drugs, because we all know that he's a recovering drug addict, right? He went through the drugs program a few years ago and then he came back. So he has relapsed twice, actually, Kholu, and the business has been bad or down. He was down and out, written out twice, and then he bounced back. Now this happens, so we're like, okay, no, he's gonna make it, and boom, he's back at home, he's back in Soweto right now. But what I love about him is the fact to even though the business is down and out, he is fighting for himself, he's fighting for his mental health, he's running every day, he's doing the marathons, and he's outspoken, and the songs that he posts, the motivations, he motivates himself, he's not sitting at home and not doing anything, which makes me believe the fact that he's gonna come back. But I'm gonna say that I think it's very important to have a very an intelligent wife. Yes, businesses fall apart and everything, but there was no business of any doing the reality show and forcing Kholu to buy a house and forcing Kholu to buy a bigger car so that she flaunts it on reality TV, knowing exactly their situations, right? And then running Gandhi, when you run a clubs, I don't know, maybe money clubs is a dirty money, then I don't know. Yes, I know that also. Most of the time these clubs people they front, they are really owners and everything. And then also I think it's very important to have somebody who's going to run your business properly, who understand exactly the ins and outs. Then you can be there as the face or see the money. So now not only Kholu has lost the business, he has also lost the wife. Annie has decided to leave Kholu because things are not okay, decided that she is single, she is ready to mingle, and she has made sure that everybody sees the fact that she doesn't even wear her ring anymore, and she's striving by herself. She has her own company that she's running now, a marketing agency, which I don't understand that. Why then? Because you as the wife now, you are trying to make the ends meet. Why are you not helping your husband? So obviously the kids, I'm assuming she is taking care of the kids and she's back on the street. She was for the streets, so she's back on the streets anyway. So she is trying to make ends meet. She is working, but the husband is struggling on the other side. I want to believe that Kholu maybe is meeting up with his business partners and everything. Maybe he's going to have a comeback, but obviously he doesn't know any other thing besides running clubs. Chances are he's going to come back in Durban and run again his club, or he's going to open another sports, another sports, and actually continue running his businesses. But in all the time when these men fall off, the wives are not there. It's very rare to find a wife who's going to support a man. I just don't understand how it happens. Does the love finishes, when the money finishes, or I mean, I understand, but as it stands, so this story. And now Hulu has then decided to which doesn't it's like maybe he needs the money. He is selling his furniture on Facebook Market. So I think everybody saw that. It's like, oh my goodness, so he's currently in Durban. I saw that he's not in Johannesburg because he's in Durban because he's selling his stuff. So I'm assuming when umuntu ufuna ukuthenga, he needs to be able around to actually, I believe. And he's not even hiding it. He wrote his name, Mthembu. He's selling his entire mirrors, toilets, thing. He's selling kosami hlalo. He's selling amatafula, the furniture for the club. I'm assuming the reason he's selling the club is because he needs the money. That's why he's selling the furniture. I want to refuse to say he's selling the furniture because he will never go back to business again. So for now, he's staying at home in Soweto with his mother, his family. I mean, it's always nice to have a family to fall back on. I believe that school is going to come back now that he is clean, right? He's definitely clean because he's running, he's eating healthy, so his mental health is in a good space. So it's going to be easy for him to bounce back, and so it means he's off tracks for now. And yeah, without a doubt, she did drive Hulu to lose money. And because Hulu did mention that the house that they bought, there was no need for it. It was so big in a way but they were so big because the house to flex Sniper and about Sorisha and everything. Sorisha's friendship with Annie doesn't look good anymore. Their pictures have been taken down. There's nothing much that we see between them that they are doing or hanging around together. Maybe she is helping her though with some monies or running of the business at the end of the day, but we do not know. So guys, please make sure that you subscribe on this channel and then you press like. It's free.